Welcome back to Toystify. This is my entry for October ACBA quarantine. So the idea is to create a dramatic lighting mood for Nosferatu Moscow. I dropped something. Okay, don't worry. So we're just gonna make a dramatic lighting. Actually, it's something like this. So let me see if I can get it just like how I got it before. Something like this. See how the lights gently hits the eyes. So that's what we're aiming for. We're trying to create something, probably something like this. I don't know what happened actually. Set it up before. Something like this. Well, I will play more with it. So turn off the light like this. So my bad. It's the light that makes it a bit tougher. What's the light? You don't want it too bright there, so we're gonna play with really dark setting. Yeah. Further, we're gonna create we are going to create a ray of light. So we just need to get those fogs in there, like such. Yeah. Not sure if you can see the ray of light, but one can capture it. See? So yeah, the idea is to play something like this. I'll play more with the lighting later. Yeah, I'll show you the result later as well. And let me just show you the details of the setup. So although we are playing with the thing, but I still have to make it pretty detailed. The environment has making the environment rather detailed as well, because otherwise it's not gonna look that good. So I'll just show you the details around the settings as well. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.